Hello everyone, in today's video, the Angwatt CS1 comes as a true off-road electric scooter with a 1000 watt motor, large 11-inch tubeless tires and powerful battery that promises a range of up to 85 km, with a declared maximum speed of up to 55 km per hour, double suspension and a load capacity of up to 200 kg. It is clear that this is a model that aims for more serious driving outside than the perfect city asphalt. Good news, this model is available right now on the Baggoods web shop at a discounted price. Now for more details, be sure to watch this Angwatt CS1 e-scooter video review. The transport box itself clearly shows that this is a serious piece of electric mobility inside. After opening the box, the first thing we notice is the neat layout. The parts are carefully covered with the protective foam and plastic foils that prevent scratches or movement during shipping. The scooter comes well packed, but as soon as you take it out of the packaging, it becomes obvious how big and heavy it is. In addition to the scooter itself, we also get some basic accessories: a rear mudguard that we have to mount, multi-purpose multifunctional assembly tool, a box containing the charger, and the Angwatt CS1 user manual. The positive thing is that the scooter comes almost fully assembled. You just need to mount the handlebars, screen and mudguard, which is a relatively simple process and only takes a few minutes. At the first glance, when fully assembled, it's clear that this model was designed with the emphasis of stability and durability. With its approximately 30 kg, the Angwatt CS1 does not seem like a scooter that you will often carry in your hand or lift up the stairs. We especially like the feeling of robustness and solidity that this scooter leaves upon first contact. The frame is made of a combination of iron and aluminum alloy, which in precise resulted in a very stable behavior. The standing platform is relatively high from the ground, approximately 18 to 19 centimeters, which also has practical advantages. It's easier to cross curbs, rails and other obstacles that are common in real city conditions. The load capacity of a structure is up to 200 kg, which additionally speaks of its robustness. Despite its robust construction, the scooter features a quick fold mechanism, making it easy to prepare for transport or storage. Just release the safety mechanism on the steering column and the entire scooter folds into compact shape. When folded, its dimensions become relatively compact, which means that you can store it in the trunk of your car or more easily transport and store it in your garage or apartment. Now, the rear brushless motor with a declared peak power of 1000 watt during our testing provides to be very capable and powerful enough for most real driving situations. Acceleration is noticeable and energetic right from the start, but remains sufficient linear and controlled that the scooter does not seem nervous or unpredictable, which is especially important when driving in city conditions or poor surfaces. In driving, the engine enables a pleasant cruise in the range of 13 to 40 km per hour, where a good combination of power and efficiency is felt. In this mode, the scooter appears to be most balanced, and the acceleration when overtaking and remains strong enough to make driving seem lively and fun. The manufacturer declares a maximum slope of around 30 degrees. In real conditions, we managed to steeper city hills without any major problems. The sound of the motor leaves a very good impression while driving. Only a single electrical hum, typical of brushless drives, is heard, enhancing the feeling of quality and leaving the impression that the drive system is well coordinated with the rest of the scooter's robust construction. The declared maximum speed of up to 55 km per hour in practice means that this is a scooter that can very quickly overcome urban and suburban roads. During testing, the speed naturally depends on the weight of the driver, the terrain configuration and the battery charge level. At higher speeds, we felt a good sense of stability, especially thanks to the scooter's mass and long wheelbase. However, such performance requires a serious and responsible approach to driving, because these are speeds that are already closer to a smaller motorcycle than a classic scooter. In practice, we most often drove between 30 and 40 km per hour, which proved to be the optimal balance between speed, safety and energy consumption. One of the key technical elements of this scooter is certainly the lithium battery with a capacity of 48 volt and 21.3 amp-hour, which on paper promises a very serious range of 65 to even 85 kilometers. The numbers alone make it clear that this is a battery with a higher capacity than the many competitions in this power range. The charging time is about 8 hours, which means that it's most practical to connect the scooter to the charger during the night, and in the morning you are ready for the new challenges and the battery will last for days. During testing, we paid particular attention to the way that the manufacturer arranged the 5 speed levels, because most scooters in this class only offer 3 levels. Here, attempt to provide a rather more precise control, and the performance is clearly visible, which has proven to be very useful in practice. The first speed level is limited to a very slow pace, approximately 10 to 12 km per hour, and it's more suitable for maneuvering in the tight spaces, pushing the scooter or riding very carefully among pedestrians. But the 5th speed level is reserved for maximum performance. Here the scooter uses the full potential of the 1000 volt motor and the 29 amp controller, which result in the strongest acceleration and a higher top speed. The Angwatt CS1 brings a real technological refresh to the world of electric scooters, and one of the most prominent innovations is the NFC unlocking system. Instead of a traditional key or PIN code, just touch the included NFC card to the center display and voila, your scooter is ready to ride. The same applies to turning it off. Touch the card and the scooter is turned off. Practical, fast and secure. This large and clear center display shows the relevant information such as the 5 speed levels, battery status, selected speed, distance, voltage. It's easy to monitor basic data. The numbers are large enough that you can read them without taking your eyes off the road for a long time. The control buttons are arranged logically and quickly become intuitive. Changing the speed level, like all other functions, can be done smoothly, which is especially practical when the terrain changes. These are Angwatt CS1 use 11-inch tubeless off-road tires, which is an important factor for overall stability and safety. The tire profile ensures good grip on a variety of surfaces, including gravel, grass and forest paths. However, in combination with the quality suspension, these tires provide a feeling of solid connection to the surface and increase the driver's confidence. And the suspension is one of the strongest assets of this model. The front and rear shock absorbers absorb shocks very effectively and reduce vibrations that would otherwise be transmitted to the handlebars and platform. When driving on gravel or bad roads, the difference compared to the scooters without serious suspension becomes very obvious. On longer rides, that means less fatigue and more stable feeling of control, especially when driving faster or moving from an asphalt road to the more demanding terrain. Dual disc brakes with electronic assistance during testing provide a solid level of safety and control, although we expected them to bite a little better. The electronic brakes help stabilize the scooter and slow down more safely. Light is one of the positive elements because the scooter comes with a rich LED system that includes a front light, rear brake light, side LED strips and turn signals. The front light provides a wide enough beam and a good range for safe driving in poor visibility conditions, while the rear light clearly warns vehicles behind you when braking. The side LED strips further increase visibility from the side, which is useful in city traffic and at intersections. The only complement is the position of the rear turn signals, which could be placed at a little higher for better visibility, but the overall impression of the safety lighting remains very good and instills additional confidence when driving at night. In real driving, the scooter left us with a very stable and safe impression, especially on poor roads and gravel sections where the large 11-inch off-road tires and the double suspension come into play. After several days of testing, we can say that the Angwatt CS1 is a strong and stable electric scooter that excels most in the combination of off-road potential, large battery and robust constructions. Although it is not the easiest to carry and maybe we would like to little stronger brakes, but overall it offers a very good compromise between performance, comfort and real autonomy, which makes it an interesting choice for riders who want more than a classic city scooter. So if you are looking for a powerful electric scooter with large wheels, good suspension and the ability to drive outside ideal asphalt, you can check out the Angwatt CS1 on the popular web shop Banggood, where it often appears at a discounted price from EU warehouses. During the auction, it can drop significantly below the initial price, which makes it an even more interesting option to buy. If this review helped you, support the video with a like and a subscription, because we soon be testing even more powerful e-scooter models. Until the next video review, bye!